So construct a PDA for the following language. Now in this you have A and B are equal. So for 2 A's you will have 2 B's and 1 C, 2 C, 3 C, 4 C, how much ever C's you can have. So this is the way it happens. For 1 A, 1 B will be there. For 3 A's you will have 3 B's, because A raised to n and B raised to n, that means A and B should be equal. Now in this you have a stack and you have a symbol Z0, that is your initial stack symbol. Let's say for example you have A, B, B, C, C, C in the string. Now initially you have Q0 string, and on the first alphabet, the first letter in the string is your A. On the stack you have a Z0. So A comma on top of the stack you have a Z0. Assume that you are removing this Z0 for some time, because that is what the PDA is doing. Remove the Z0 from the stack and push A, Z0 together inside the stack. So you get A, Z0. So assume that the Z0 is removed out for some time, and then you are pushing A, Z0 together. So you get here A, Z0. Next, the read write head moves one step ahead and sees a A. When you see a A, on top of the stack also there is a A. Assume that this A has been removed for some time, and then push A together. So you get a. So here you get a. Next, the read write head moves one step ahead and sees a B. Now for every B you see on the string you have to pop one A. So Q1, for every B you see and A is there on top of the stack, simply pop. When you pop you write an epsilon. Then again the read write head moves one step ahead, sees a B. So again for every B you see, top of the stack you have a, pop that A. So this A also will be removed. Next, the read write head will move ahead and see a C. Now for C, when you see a C, your top of the stack has a Z0. So you will simply read the C and write a Z0 only. This will be your Q2. Then again the read write head moves one step ahead and sees a C. So again for every C and on top of the stack you have a Z0, simply read the C. Next, again one step ahead you get a C. This is a self loop, so for how much ever C's are there, this will go on and on. Finally you have a epsilon, nothing is there now, so you get a new state. We say this is your Q final state. You have a epsilon on the string, on top of the stack you have a Z0, so the Z0 will remain, and you reach the Q final state. For this, let's see the string acceptance. So string acceptance, Q0 A, B, B, C, Z0. For Q0 on A, Q0 on A is Q0, you remain with A, B, B, C, and you get a Z0. This is what you get, Z0. Next, Q0 on A gives you a Q0 remaining with BBC, and you get a Z0. Q0 on B goes to Q1 state, so Q0 on B goes to Q1, you have BC. You will pop one A, so you get Z0. Again Q1 on B goes to Q1. You left with a C. This A will also be popped. You get a Z0. CZ0 gives us Z0 and goes to the Q2 stage. So Q2 epsilon Z0. Q2 on epsilon goes to the Q final state and you have a Z0. Goes to a Q final state and there is a Z0. So because it is reaching the final state, we will say that this string is accepted.